Hey everyone, JT here. In this lesson, we're diving into a topic that can be a real head scratcher for business owners. Where should you invest your money? In your business or a traditional retirement account? Now, conventional wisdom says max out that 401k, Roth IRA is the way to go. Plan for retirement. And hey, that's a solid advice for many folks. But when you're a business owner with big dreams, it's not always so black and white. Think of like this. Imagine you're a race car driver, okay? You got your eyes on the prize, that checkered flag. You pushing your car to the limits. Now, would you suddenly slam on the brakes, pull over to the side of the road just because someone told you to be careful and save for the rainy day? Probably not. Okay. In the same way, if your focus is growing on your business, on building an empire, on selling it for millions one day, then why worry about taking money out of the business or your personal finances and locking it up in a retirement account for 30 plus years? You see, traditional retirement accounts, while well-intentional, come with restrictions. Okay? You give up the flexibility and the liquidity, the ability to access your money when you need it, to play by society's norms. Now, I'm not saying retirement planning is bad. Okay? If your current focus is on aggressively growing your business, then make sure that's where your financial focus is as well. Okay? So think about it. Every dollar you invest back into your business is like adding high octane fuel to your race car. It can expand your operations, develop new products, hire top talent, and ultimately reach your goals faster. Then you can be staying agile. Keeping your money liquid gives you the flexibility to seize opportunities when they arise. Maybe a competitor is looking to sell, or maybe there is a new technology you want to invest in. Having access to those funds allow you to make quick decisions and stay ahead of the game. Okay? And reaping the rewards. If your goal is to build a highly valuable business, the potential return on that investment could far outweigh the benefits of a traditional retirement account. Imagine selling your business for millions one day. That's a retirement plan in itself. Now, I'm not saying you should completely ignore retirement planning, but if you are in the growth phase of your business, don't be afraid to prioritize your business investments. Once you've reached a point where you're comfortable expanding your investment horizons, then you can explore those avenues like the 401k, Roth IRAs, and other investment vehicles. But for now, if you are serious about growing your business, make sure your finances are aligned with that goal. Focus on fueling that engine, staying agile, and building something extraordinary. Remember, it's all about priorities. If your business is your priority, then make sure your financial decisions reflect that. Don't let conventional wisdom hold you back from achieving your dreams.